Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to design a professional-looking logo in Canva, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a stunning logo ready to use for your brand or project. Canva is a beginner-friendly design tool with free and premium features. It's great for creating logos because it provides pre-designed templates, access to icons, fonts, and graphics, a simple drag-and-drop interface. Let's dive in and create a logo. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, creating an account is quick and free. Once you're logged in, you can see a lot of templates. You can create a presentation or an Insta post, wedding cards or a poster, etc. You can explore a lot of options here, but now we have to create a logo for our page. Click on Create Design on the left-hand side, then it will pop up a page where it shows different options like logos, Instagram post, our stories, etc. As we are creating logo, click on Logo icon. Canva offers hundreds of logo templates, categorized by themes like fashion, education, or technology. For a blog logo, look for something minimalistic yet creative. If you prefer starting from scratch, you can use Canva's design tools to build your logo from the ground up. I didn't choose any template. I would like to create my own logo. You can search the required template in search bar, and you can explore the logo and even you can edit those. Here for sample, I am selecting this template and editing this, but be careful while selecting templates because some of the templates are only downloaded or edited by subscribers. If you want to explore more features in Canvas, you can take a Canva Pro subscription. Here I am removing all the objects in this template except the blog. Here I am making the background color as black, and blog color as white as it was contrast color. See those sample templates? I loved those circular ones. Sue. I will also design my logo in that way, especially that yellow one. Sue. Now I will use in yellow color for the circle. Go to the elements by clicking the elements icon on the left side of the page and you can see a lot of shapes. As I said, I like to have a circle in my logo. So, let's see. Let's drop a circle and we can change the color of it if we want. Here I saw my required one, so I selected it. Hey, there are a lot more options, you know. You can upload an image even, but here I don't want to upload because as I said, I want to create a logo. So guys, you can see here. Here there are a lot more options to explore. You can see those all. Okay. Now I want to go some animations to my logo to look attractive. So, I want yellow simmer circle to enlarge or something like that. So let's see will there is an animation effect or not. So, I think this one was good. Not that bad, right? So I will save those changes. But there's something lag in this logo. What's that? Yeah, it's the blog. So I think it's better to keep it in black color. Yes, black. It's perfect. Now I want that yellow circle to rotate, so we have to change the effects. Now animations are over. Now everything is over. So let's preview it. You can see a preview button on the top right. Click on it. If everything was perfect, you can download it. If it's not, you can keep editing. For me, it's all perfect, so I will download this logo. For downloading, click on Share button on right top corner and click on Download. You can also customize the downloads. If you have subscription for Canva, you can explore more options and customizations. And that's it. You've successfully created a stunning logo for your blog using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.